comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane.
Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Cash, like money. If you're not new here, welcome back. Thank you so much for watching. So today's video is going to be a Arabic inspired makeup tutorial. I'm not Muslim, I'm not Arabic, but I really do love the culture. I don't mean anything disrespectful by this at all. I just wanted to do an inspired look. If you want to see how I got this Arabic inspired makeup look, then please keep watching. But before we get into that, don't forget to smash that notification bell so you can be a part of the Glam fam. And as always guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe so you can be linked in on my newest content. Let's get into the video. So I already did my brows off camera, as you can see, and I did one eye. You'll be needing tape for this look. So I'm going to start out with the colors Play It Cool and Peachy Keen. We're just going to lightly buff Play It Cool into our crease for our transition color. Using a more defined brush, we're going to take that second color. Then we're going to take Peachy Keen to darken it up and to shape our V. I'm taking Fit Me Concealer in light to carve out my crease halfway. Taking the shade Pop Star, we're going to go over that with a flat brush. Using tapping motions, I'm only going 1/3 of the way to blend that in. It's super hard to do liner on camera, but here is my attempt. Using MAC's Graph Black Technical Liner, I'm just going to put that in my waterline. Using the black shade from the palette, I'm just going to darken that. I will put the name of it in the description box below. Using Tarte's Big Ego Mascara, I like this mascara except for the brush does get a little messy. Here I'm using 𝐻𝑒𝓁𝓁 Luxury Lashes. Look at how beautiful these lashes are, you guys. I'm using Wander Beauty Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil as like my primer and to hydrate my skin. This is definitely one of my go-to foundations. It is Fit Me Foundation by Maybelline. I believe I'm shade 325. Taking a beauty blender just to blend it out. If it's not damp, it will be harder to blend. So if it's damp, it kind of gives you an edge up. Using LA Colors Pro Conceal in the shade Light. And again, I am blending that out with a damp beauty blender, just stippling motions, not to move the product around too much. Taking Becca Cosmetics Set and Refresh Hydra Mist Powder, and we're just going to set our under eye. After letting that set, you do want to brush it away so that you get a nice even tone. Using MAC's Blunt for my contour. Using Artist Couture Diamond Powder Highlight. This is one of my favorite ones. Using MAC's Lip Liner in Dark Night. I'm actually using this as an overall lip color. Using Kiss Me Lip Gloss in the shade Bellissima. And here's the final look. Alright guys, I don't think I have anything else to say except for I love you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to smash that notification bell so you can be a part of the Glam fam. And as always guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe so you can be linked in on my newest content. And remember to fly first. Love yourself. See you in my next video.